Right, we're going to do a video to show you, this is the third in our little series of videos on how to fit the 7, 6 and 7 seats, the extra seats that are in the rear luggage compartment of the Land Rover Discovery 3, and I'm guessing it's going to be the same on the Discovery 4. So basically these are the ones I'm fitting. I'm changing the colour from beige to black. I've got these at a good price. You may be doing this because you haven't got seats, you've got a commercial or one of the models without and you're upgrading, so this might be useful for you. I'll also give you a demo of how to use the seats, so if you've got the seats and never worked out how to flip them, I'll do that quickly in just a second. Right, so what we're going to look for is there's basically two mounting points here and here, so that's 4 along each edge. One here, one, there might be 2 here, that might be a locating pin. So sorry, there's already 2 there, and then it looks like there's a double set in the middle, so 2 and 2, and then 2 at the back there, and then the other side's the same. So let's go and have a little look inside and see how to do that. Right then, Elise, you're going to give us a hand? Alright, Elise, I've got Elise today, because it's the weekend. Elise is helping. Right, first thing, demo. So we've obviously got the back seats out, so it's these seats in the back here. How do they work? Let's do a little demo. First one you want to do is the back piece here. So you have to lift this catch up, and then you'll sort of have to press on this back bit, or give it a little, there you go, and it'll sort of spring up, and then you can flip that one up like so, and you can flip the headrest up like so. So that's the back bit up. Then this one, you need to pull this towards you to release that little peg there, and then that one will flip over like so and lock in. And then to release it, you need to do the reverse. So you need to release the bottom bit first. So pull that little string there in the corner, flip that back down. Then you need to press this button here to release. Oh, no, hold on. You got to press the button on the side of the headrest. Flip the headrest down. Hold on. Pull that button up like so, and that goes down. Right, that's all great, but how do we take the seats out? So let's start while we're at the front here with the 2 bolts at the front. Let me see if I can do this in. So there are 2 bolts under this little bit here. Now you can't see them because they've put a little bit of plastic here. If you get under the back edge of the plastic and lift it up from it pivots that way, so it's actually molded. There's a molded hinge there, and that reveals the 2 bolts there. Can you see those on the camera?
Yes.
Yeah, so I've made them orange, just easy to see, but they won't be orange on your car. So cover the microphone. Okay, I'll have to get a socket on those. Get the socket on those. We're going to be making. Now I think these bolts may be exposed under the car, and they may be a little bit sticky under that, exposed to the water. Right, let's have another go again. I've lost me. Right, cover the microphone again. Good. Right, so we've got 2 smallish bolts there. Okay, right, now let's go round to the back and have a look what we've got to do round the back. So, some of the bolts are hidden under these side flanks, but I'm not going to worry about those for the minute. I'm going to get the ones that are underneath here. So let me flip those back. Okay. Right, so with the rear seats up, you've got 2 compartments under here. Let me, if you get the screwdriver, again they've got a moulded hinge. If you see that white line along there, careful, because the other one's broken and this one's breaking there. So try and flip them up like that, and that will then expose the other 2 bolts. And the same on this other side there, you've got another 2 there. So I'm not sure the best way of getting to those. Let's have a look. Cover the microphone. That's that one. Interesting. So those rear ones have got the big washers on there, the slightly longer ones with the washers. I don't know if there's any logic to that. Right, now let me just have a look. What's the best? I think the best way is going to be to go over the top. But if you watch down there, Elise, you should see me coming in on that one. Cut the microphone again. Okay, right, so that's those 4. That's those 4 all released. Again, they've got the washers on them again. Right, what I'll do now is I'll flip the seats all down, because I've done all the secret ones now. It's the ones we need to do now are under these bits here. So let me just put those down. Oh, what have I left under there? My screwdriver. Right, let's have a go. Right, so I haven't worked this bit out yet. Not unusual for me. We've got to undo these, and then we should be able to take this carpet trim out. That's the plan, anyway. Right, so that takes those out. Now they're, I can't remember what number that was. That's a 6, an M6 hex head. Allen key. Right, now we should be able to take this bit of carpet out now. It's quite easy at the back, but at the front here, you want to jump in, Elise, or come round. Oh, she's in. Right, so we need to lift this out, but I'm gonna get that out of the way, and then I'll hopefully this whole corner of the carpet. Oh, that's popped the trim off. Okay, so that looks like it's got some little clips. One of them's broken there. That's got some little clips. Let's have a look how the rest of this comes off. There we go. Right, I'll flip it over and we'll have a look at the clips. So it's got some location tabs here. It's got one of those little clips there, and at this end it's got a clip there next to the latch. Oh, and a clip here. That looks like the big metal clip there. That's probably the one that holds it most. Right, now that should expose some more fixing. So these are the 2 side fixings. Now note, like on the rear seat, it's got one of these locating tabs. So when we take it off, we'll have to lift it off. Don't try and twist it off. That there. Right then, Elise, cover the microphone. Bit on that one. Yeah, and these are Torx T50. The socket on these, right. Cover the microphone again. Okay. So that's that side. We'll do the other side. You don't want to watch me do that, and then we'll come back and we'll try and lift it all out. Right. So we've got all the bolts out, we think. So you can't lift it out yet because you've got to release those. So I'm going to release all that back to get those pins out, otherwise we'll be stuck there. Right, let's have a go. Can we just lift? Yeah, that lifts that off there. Ooh. Now, how are we gonna, the best way to get these out? They're as wide as the car, and they're heavy. I don't want to scratch them. There we go. No one wants to watch me struggle that much. But Here we go. Ugh. It's a bit awkward, but that is basically, that's the rear seats removed. Now if you don't have the rear seats, you can see there was one guy on eBay on my second video that said he had the holes but not the captive nuts. So I'm not sure which ones, but have a look at the mounting points where we took them out, if you'll, and check whether you've got threaded holes here, here, where's the other ones? Here and here. If you haven't got those, you might need to work out a bit more. But that's the rear seats removed. We're going to give it all a clean and put the new ones in.